Hello everyone, my name is Hina Kocher from MBA Semester 2. Today I'll be discussing the marketing plan for my own product, that is Cloud Floating Sofa. Before discussing the marketing plan for our product, I would like to tell you our company's objective, which is in first year, we try to maximize our profit and also create a good image of the company. In the second year, we will try to increase the advertisement intensity and also we will try to create the brand awareness within the consumers. Our mission is to set world-class standards in the furniture industry to providing a diverse range of high-quality sofas that are prepared in accordance with people's needs, striving to satisfy them. Here you can see the product overview. The name of our product would be Cloud Floating Sofa, and the tagline which we have kept is Feel Heavenly. Now you can see the product portfolio, which means this is how our product will look like. Nextly, I will discuss about the product and its feature. Cloud Floating Sofa is like a resting sofa which is made for a single person and it uses magnetic fields to float in the air. That means your sofa will float in the air. Also, it has some features like easy to wrap. It feels like cotton because it's very soft, and also you can take it anywhere and anytime. Though nobody has made a sofa like this which can float in the air, it makes it different from the competitor's product. Here we will discuss the value proposition framework. Here you can see on your screens the target customers of our product, which is targeted from the age of 24 to 55 years. Then we have the product description. As I have discussed before, Cloud Floating Sofa is a resting sofa which is made for a single person, which uses the magnetic fields. Then we have the competitive advantage, which means why our product is better than competitors, because it can float in the air, and till now nobody has made a product like this which can float in the air, especially a sofa. Also, it will provide the following benefits to the customer, like it is very easy to wrap, it feels soft, and it can be moved from one place to the other very easily. Now we'll discuss who is our target audience and on what basis we have segmented our market. Our target audience would be from the age of 24 to 55, and we have targeted all genders, and we will be supplying our product in India only, and the population targeted is 4 crores. Then we have targeted the people who have very hectic working hours and people who are both extrovert and introvert in nature. This we have already discussed before, like primary differentiation, target segment, and competitive alternatives, the benefits the product will provide. Now comes is the pricing analysis. Pricing decision depends on a number of factors such as the cost of the product, the demand, the competitors, the buyers, suppliers, the economic conditions of the country. So keeping all these points in our mind, we have kept the price for our product, which is rupees 1,50,000, as the manufacturing cost is very high. So we have tried to cover up all the expenses, and also the demand for this product is very high. So we will keep it as 1,50,000 only. Marketing is the core for any product. So keeping that point in mind, we have made a month-wise marketing strategy that will be used to promote the product. Here you can see we have used various marketing strategies such as advertising features on sports and celebrity magazines, online review, large-scale promotion, radio jingles, emails, SMS, search engine optimization, and etc. Next we have is channel of distribution. To assure the availability of the product, Heavens has established effective network of registered dealers. Heavens is the name of the company. Here you can see the first channel, that is from the producer to the wholesaler to the retailer to the consumer. This is a three-level channel. Then we have is the two-level channel, which is from the producer to the retailer then to the consumer. We don't have our own distribution channel, we have a third part association for this activity. The distributor directly picks the order from the factory floor and distribute to the various retailers and wholesalers. Here you can see the channel partner training plan we have made. Like we will be providing face-to-face and online training to them, like how to use the product and what is the authenticity of the product, why the product is needed. We'll be training them. Also, we'll provide the channel flash email newsletters. At the end, we have the competitive analysis. Here you can see Heavens is better than their competitors like Godrej, Essential Homes, Delightful, Bentley Home in all aspects, whether it is design, price, performance, quality, additional functions, equipment, and other expected product services. So this was the marketing plan for our product, Cloud Floating Sofa. Thank you so much.